Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to provide emotional support for your partner. First, truly listen to what they are saying, both verbally and non-verbally. Ask open-ended questions to encourage them to share more about their feelings and experiences. It is crucial to validate their emotions, letting them know their feelings are understood and real, even if you do not completely agree with their viewpoint. This builds a foundation of trust and empathy. Once you understand their needs, consider how you can offer practical support. This might involve helping with household chores, running errands, or taking on extra responsibilities. Always offer solutions or assistance thoughtfully, ensuring it aligns with what they truly need. Remember to respect their boundaries and preferences. Sometimes, simply being present is the most helpful thing you can do. Your actions speak volumes. Maintaining a strong connection is vital for ongoing emotional support. Make time for quality moments together, even if it is just 15 minutes of undivided attention. Express your affection and appreciation frequently, through words or small gestures. Engaging in shared activities that you both enjoy can strengthen your bond and create positive experiences. These consistent efforts reinforce your commitment and love. Finally, remember to prioritize your own self-care. Providing emotional support can be demanding, so ensure you have your own support system and healthy coping mechanisms to avoid burnout. If you find yourself struggling with persistent challenges, do not hesitate to seek professional help from a therapist or counselor. And hey, for a different kind of support, check out the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It is all about making life a little easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.